Okay, friends, so today we are going to do page 83 and 84, put on your thinking caps. So this is a little bit challenging and a little bit fun. So it says each 3 groups of circle must make 8. So we have to have 8 going across the bottom. 8 going across here and 8 going across there. Kind of funny, isn't it? Okay, so 3 plus what? Let's start with this one. 3 plus 5 equals 8. So how many more do I need to make 8? 0 to make 8. 1 plus what? 3 equals 4. 4 plus what equals 8? 4 plus 4 equals 8. Now we know that 1 plus 5 equals 6. If you have 6, how many more to get to 8? Okay. So now we have to do the same thing here at the bottom, but each group of 3 circles must make 10. So again, we can start at the bottom. 3 plus 5 is 8. How many more if you have 8 to get to 10? Okay. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus what equals 10? If you have 4, how many more do you need to get to 10? Okay, and 1 plus 5 is 6. And once again, if you have 6, how many more to get to 10? Okay, let's go down to the end here. Lewis places a ball into the number machine below. What happens to the number on the ball? So it goes in 9. We add something to it, and then we subtract something to it to get 17, or to get 27. So 9 plus what is going to get to 27? So if we put a 9, and let's just say we added 20. 9 plus 20 is going to be 29. So you have 29. How many are we going to subtract to get to 27? So if you're counting from 27, 28, 29, it would be 2. And now comes 27. There's a couple different ways you can do this, but you have to find something you can add to 29 and then something you can subtract to get to the end number. So it's a little tricky. Makes you think. Okay. Lewis places another ball into the number machine. What happens to the number on the ball? Fill in the missing blanks. So we had 15. And how many more we're going to add? And then how many we're going to subtract to get to 7? So our end number has to be 7, and we must start with 15. We have to add something and then subtract something. So let's think. What if we added 5? We would get 20. So if you had 20, what are we going to take away to get to 7? So picture a tens frame with 20 chips. How many are you going to take off to get to 7? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Sorry. Made a mistake here. 15 plus 5 equals 20. 20 take away 13 is going to equal 7. Okay, a little confusing. You can use different numbers, but you have to start with 15 and end with 7. Whatever you want to add or subtract can change, but it has to end up at 7. So thank you. Take a picture of what you did today to show on Seesaw. Thank you.